Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Ben and Holly's Pocket Adventures. Where are we, Holly?
Smiler Takeover again.
We're back at Alton Towers. Yeah, it's still Smiler Takeover, but we've come for a very special reason today, haven't we? Because this week the viewing platform for Nemesis construction has opened, and also the track has started to arrive, hasn't it? So the brand new track for Nemesis has started to arrive, and they've even started laying a bit of it. So hopefully we're going to go over there.
We were walking, and Daddy was looking at the Galactica track, and he said, "Wow, that track is nice."
I didn't say that. I just thought instantly out of the corner of my eye I saw the track, and because it's all through the trees it looked a bit black, so yeah, I thought straight away, but I got a bit overexcited. So yeah, we're going to get over to Forbidden Valley, and also this started to be some Mardi Gras preparations as well, so we'll take you around the park, guys. We'll have a look what's changed from last week, because we was only here last week. But yeah, come with us. We're still going to go in Towers trading, aren't we, because Holly wants to buy a Smiler hoodie. So yeah, come with us, guys. Let's go and have another day at Alton Towers.
Yeah.
What do you want, a Smiler hoodie? I think it might be a bit too big, Holly, that one.
It's comfy and firm.
Eh?
It's comfy. But there's one more thing.
You know what, you could say she's been taken over by the Smiler.
Literally. I think we look in the Smiler shop later and see if we've got smaller ones. So that hoodie was a bit too big, wasn't it? So we're going to have to look in the Smiler shop later, because we asked the lady and she says she thinks they might have some smaller ones in the Smiler shop. So we'll have a look there later. No! I don't know what we're doing first. Auntie Zoe's here as well, and she's at the Smiler now, but I don't think we're just going to wait for Mike and Stacey.
Huh?
And then we'll see what they're going to do. Yeah? So Holly didn't get a Smiler hoodie, but Stacey's doing Holly's Smiler nail polish.
Yeah, no judgment here.
And you wore your yellow and black t-shirt, didn't you? Although it's not a Smiler one.
Mallard duck.
What have you spotted, Holly? Duck. Holly's spotted the duck on the rapids. I've never seen him before. Do you think he's new there? He looks a bit dirty, to be honest.
Yeah.
Backwards question.
Yeah. Who have we spotted, Holly? Holly.
Holly. Backwards man.
Walk backwards. So we've spotted our friend.
Oh, hello again.
Hello. How are you?
Yeah, I'm all right. How are you?
Very well, thank
You're
you.
walking a bit strange. Why are you walking like that? I'm not walking like that. I'm walking like this. Do my moonwalk. What is this now? Time number 30? Coming in? How many times have you been on? You don't know.
We're considering purchasing it, but we're just...
You're always considering purchasing it, sir.
We're hoping you're going to give us a discount at some point, but...
Well, seeing that you've come about 30 times, I should give you a £30 discount.
Oh, £30?
Yes.
Oh, that's very nice.
Now,
that's very nice.
1,998,000.
Is your neck okay today?
It is a bit sore. It is. It's just since the accident, you know, it's always just a bit crooked. When I was push down the stairs?
Did you fall over again? Because you had an alright head last time.
Oh no, I've always been there. Just ignore her. But yes, this time I'm pushed down the stairs, hurt my neck. All good now. Okay.
He's a bit unsure of, you know, the fact your shoes are on the wrong way around, I think.
Shoes are perfectly fine, sir. So now we're a bit on the large side, but anyway, right.
Woo.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you. Take care.
Head on in again.
Have a lovely day.
You too.
You like him when he's backwards, man, don't you? It's your favourite. Yeah. He wondered why you were walking backwards, didn't he?
The other backwards man didn't look like he fitted.
Have you seen who's the gravedigger today? It's Mary. I think. Mary's the gravedigger. I don't know where she's gone. She just came walking by and he said ignore her. Yeah. It's nice how they've still got the actors around here though, isn't it? Keeping the atmosphere up. It's only on a 5-minute queue. 5-minute queue for the curse is well worth it, isn't it? And in fact, it's not a 5-minute. It just takes 5 minutes to walk through the queue line. Because as you can see, it's walk on. Hey Holly, are you excited for the platform?
Yeah, but I'll probably just see a rainbow.
Yeah, I'm excited, but I'm not sure how much we're actually going to see. Hopefully they've laid a bit more track down there. So we'll see. Hopefully there's not going to be a massive queue for it.
I'm the biggest fan for that track.
You are?
I'm the biggest fan for the new track.
You're not the biggest fan of the new track? I like it. You don't like the red and black?
Well,
It's better that they... Yeah, it's better that they change it though.
I don't know why they need so much detail.
It's special, isn't it?
I guess.
I think it's going to be the best looking track in the world.
No. Well, most of them are just grey.
Yeah, so it's going to be the best looking track in the world for sure. Anyway,
yeah,
there we go, we can see.
Probably going to be the most detailed one.
Yeah, let's
There's
go.
no queue.
Classified information. You okay?
Can you stick to left for me with no photos and videos, please?
No photos? You're joking?
You'll upset Nemesis.
What about if I hide it? Does she not know? No? Is she going to growl at me? Oh. Oh no. Okay. Thank you. Make sure you put your photos and videos away. No cameras. You're going to upset Nemesis.
Why do you need such a long walk?
You can see a monorail track. Nice shot of Galactica over there.
Daddy!
What?
Not much to see, is there?
There's no photos or videos.
Oh well, that's a bit out window, isn't it?
Yeah.
Daddy, you're not allowed to do it.
Social media too late.
Definitely no photos or videos, Mike.
Yeah, I'm not. This is
She
new
said
technology.
that. Make sure you put your phone away, mate.
Did you know there's no safety protocol on those cranes? So if that falls with someone in it, then they just...
I'm a bit disappointed because I can't really see a lot. I think I'm going to see more track when I go round and look over the fence.
Did you just say you're disappointed then?
A little bit, mate, yeah. Are you?
I think it's fantastic. Rip the whole thing out.
So you're going to paint the station up?
Nah, you can't afford it now.
Just leave it as it
They
is.
made 130 million last year profit.
That was 2021, mate.
It's camouflage.
What do you think to the platform, Holly?
Boring.
You're not excited?
It's not standing, not.
What about when they start laying track down and you can see it starting to take shape? Or when they're on top of the Nemesis beast painting it? Will you find it exciting then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing's happening.
At the minute,
Let's go Smiler.
I agree, it's pretty boring.
This is what their profit is going towards. On
You had a nice time, Mike.
What, so far?
Viewing platform, mate. Thoughts? Enjoy it?
Good.
Worth the half an hour queue that we queued for it, yeah?
Oh yeah, the fast track.
Yeah, used your fast track. Hey Holly, look, can you see over there? What can you see? Nemesis track, yeah. There it is. Just creeping over. There it is, can you see? What do you think now when you see it in person? You still don't like it? I like it. So what you got, Holly? Stickers, yeah. Oh, just dropped it. Yeah, so you've got your hashtag Seek the Truth sticker, and we got the first day survivor one, didn't we? Because we didn't see these guys on the opening day of Alton Manor, but we were here. So yeah, big shout out to sticker_family on Facebook. Yay! Hashtag Seek the Truth. Yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for the stickers. Appreciate that. So yeah, nice look at the Nemesis track there, Holly. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? So have you changed your opinion of it now? Now you've seen it in the flesh.
Veins.
You still don't like the veins?
It just still goes.
Oh, I like it.
I mean,
wait till you see the trains on it though. I think that's going to be key, isn't it, when we see...
Supposed to be like tentacles.
Well, Nemesis Beast has tentacles, doesn't she?
Yeah, but that's a vein.
Yeah. Well, I think you need to reserve judgment until we've seen the whole thing, to be honest, with the trains on it. But yeah, how cool was it to see the sticker family there? I'm going to put all the links to their channels. They've just set up a YouTube channel, and they've got like not Instagram, they're on Facebook and TikTok as well. So I'll put all the links on the channel now, so you can see them, and they'll be in the description below as well. So yeah, go and give them guys a follow, and if you see them in parts, they'll give you free stickers. Yeah. Yeah. So that's cool. So thanks for them guys. Appreciate it. So yeah, we're going over to X Sector now, aren't we?
We lost it.
We've lost the group. Yeah, we'll go back to them. So yeah, we're going over to X Sector, and Holly's going to get a new Smiler hoodie, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Hey, it'll be snowy in there.
Yeah, do you want to say hello, Snowy?
Hello, Snowy.
Do you want to say hello?
How are you, Snowy? She doesn't bite, does she?
No, only if you wanted to.
No, I don't want her to bite me, no.
Do you want to say hello, Snowy? Bye. To be fair, she does keep doing that. I need to take her to the vet, so I do.
She's broken, is she?
I think she's more than broken.
What's wrong with me? I gave me my dolly.
Yeah, but that's when I was happy, and now I'm not happy because I'm grave digging and I'm not gardening. I don't know if it's a promotion or a demotion.
Do you know what happened to the dolly? Some of the staff took the dolly from us and said that she would give her to Emily, but we've never heard anything about it since. We don't know if Emily's got the dolly or not. She said she would email us and let us know when Emily's got it. Yeah. We don't know about emails. Hey, we found Auntie Zoe. How was the curse?
Horrific.
What?
For the first time round, I was petrified.
Nice ride though.
I screamed the whole way.
Did you like it, Evie?
Yeah, I think just the scream.
Really?
The scares.
Oh my life.
It's just the scares.
I've never known anything like it.
We'll go on again and we'll be alright.
Are you coming back on?
Yeah, I'll go back on.
Yeah, let's go back.
I'll go back on. I'm just waiting for a free cheat.
Just like that. So like this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, was it top dollar, was it? He's a pressure, that he is, yeah. You have
to go now.
Yeah, go on, you have a go, go on. Go on, you have a go.
I think the estate agent will be good at the griddy when he's backwards with his backwards head on.
Backwards head, yeah.
Backwards griddy. Can you do a backwards griddy? That's.
Yeah.
No, surely it's got to be that way because you're going backwards.
Yeah.
Have you got earplugs?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you as well.
Thank you.
To ensure all visitors of Alton Manor can undertake their tour in...
So just had a nice ride on the curse, haven't we, Holly? And Holly's now quacking at ducks. Quackers. She's quackers, this girl. Did you like your ride on the curse? Yeah. Still the best dark ride in the country, for sure. Yeah, it's a great ride. Really, really, really enjoy it. All the effects were working today, and they were all in time, which is good because last time we went on, the effects were a bit out of time, weren't they, Holly? But yeah, now we are going for a ride on the Congo River Rapids. The waterfall's working. Don't be daft. 3, 2, 1, go. Well done. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I think it was a tie. How was your ride? Wet, yeah. You and Stacey got wet. Look at Stacey's trousers. Soaked. She's soaked. A big plume of water came over, didn't it?
Yeah, I got Stacey.
Yeah, you bumped into the side quite a bit, didn't you? I don't know if the rapids have been turned up a bit to make it a bit more rough. But faster, faster, faster. You can't back out. You have to just stick it. Oh, this isn't good, Holly, is it? Took the floor things off. I wonder what happened there. I wonder if they got slippery when they were wet or something.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
Or they peeled off.
Yeah. It's a bit of a shame that, isn't it?
Yeah,
They've not replaced it.
They were good.
I thought they should have been here permanently, to be honest.
But if it rains, yeah.
Yeah. The Smiler has taken over the Smiler.
There's more photographs needed. Grid, I'm swimming. Grid, there's waiting for photographs. Okay. Oh, I do apologize. Just wait for Grid, but Grid, hurry up now.
Oh, his hat's fell off.
Get up! Get up! Up! Down! Up!
I'm a turtle!
Not a turtle, get up!
I'm a turtle!
Oh, you're not slow!
I'm a turtle! I'm stuck!
This is a message for Agent Gladwell and Joytide. Be very careful what you say about me being a failed experiment. You never know who really runs the Ministry of Joy, do you? Be careful. I'm watching you from up there, always watching. Smile, always.
anymore, remember? We can't have those sort of questions anymore here. We have to focus now on the joy, the happiness. And just like...
Grin knows it.
What do I know? Who do you know?
Everyone.
Oh, good, that's all right then.
No one at the
I'm
same
Scientist Gladwell, nice to meet you.
Gladwell.
Grin, what have I told you about doing things like that? You need to go for a new reprogramming on the American... Yes. What do you want? Well, all I can say, here's my message to anyone who wants to listen. You need to join us, join the ministry, and remember, advocates, you belong to the Smiler. And I don't know who these people are who keep saying that this bloke who did something important. I'm the most important person here now.
Oh.
Scientist Gladwell.
You're going to anger Dr Kelman, I think.
No, I don't know who this person is. Everyone keeps going on about him. I am the most handsome person here.
We were expecting to look into the sanctuary.
Joy tide tweeting everywhere.
Why?
Would I do that?
The minister would like to apologise for
Never would I do that, would I? No, I wouldn't.
I do apologise for her happiness. Her happiness is spreading to everyone today. It's very good. Yeah, it is very good. I mean, but she just worries me sometimes, you see. Of course it's my voice. What do you think this is? Oh, right. Have you filled all these in?
Don't forget to sing along.
Da, 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 da. So Holly's bought herself a Smiler dress. It's a hoodie, but it's the smallest size they do, isn't it? And we've got it because it's all embroidered. A lot of them have got like embroidered and transfers on, so...
I have a hoodie dress.
It is a bit like a dress, but you'll grow into it, I suppose. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Happy?
It's really fluffy.
So
Feel
it's-
in there.
Yeah, it's just fluff. It's like your brother's. £34 with past discount, not too bad. Particularly as it's embroidered like that, so it's good.
And it's big.
Yeah, it's big. You'll grow into it, won't you? You grow fast anyway, you do, so... Yeah. Smiler hoodie. Hey, what do you think to Agent Gladwell and Agent Joytide and Dr Kelman's message? I don't think Kelman's going to be very impressed, is he?
Did he actually send it?
Yeah, it's the real Dr Kelman. I put the video on for everyone so you can see what it was. But yeah, Dr Kelman sent them a message because last week on the vlog they said Dr Kelman was a failed experiment. So that's why we got the video for them from Dr Kelman. And I don't think he's going to be very happy with what Gladwell said about him this week, is he? So we'll have to see if he says anything else.
There's a place you can go, I said, young man, when you're short on dough.
Holly, what do you reckon to the performance?
I don't choose the music, I don't know what's going on.
Holly.
There's so many ways to have. In the queue, can we all do this? We all know this, don't we? Here we go, she does. Ready? It's fun to stay at the wine. Get those hands up here. Oblivion, let's give it a go.
The one positive I will say about this is that they've synced the Smiler, not the Smiler, that they've synced the Spin Jam music with the actual performance, and we've got Guns N' Roses blasting over it, but this is terrible.
What's going on in the queue here? Come on, get your arms up. Thank you, thank you. You can get yourself in. You can have
He's saying thank you to you because you helped him. No one else did it.
One more time,
I feel a bit sorry for him in some ways.
Beautiful.
Do you feel a bit sorry for him?
This is
Do you feel a bit sorry for him?
Probably more than us for having to sit through it.
Stronger than I've been before you're out. This is the part where I break free. 'Cause I can now. I'm having such a good time.
Dan's loving it.
Don't stop me. If you want to have a good time, yeah? Hey, give me a call up. Don't stop me. I'm having a good time.
Are you having a good time?
Don't stop me. I'm having a good time.
I think Ollie likes
Don't
it.
want to stop at all. Alright. Don't stop me.
It's tense. This is a tense moment. Come on, Stacey.
My eyes are watering, I'm not even blinking.
She's going to do it. This is the hardest part. Come on. Stand on the wire.
Ben from Ben and Holly. New channel coming soon, Ben and Holly Investigates.
What?
They investigate theme park rumours. But they hold a broom while they do it, they call it theme park rumours.
Theme park what? Rumours?
Yeah. Just don't laugh.
Yeah. I thought that's the whole idea of this event.
Jesus, it's getting close.
That's your fault.
You're getting close to the back. Oh no. No, you're about right. Ollie, I wouldn't knock it, to be fair. He was going to leave you here otherwise. Well, next time you say you don't want to laugh, you
So we've done the fairground rides in fairground sector, and now we're on Food Street.
No, it's sector, but feck sector because it's fairground.
Fex sector?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. So yes, the preparations for Mardi Gras are up and running, and they're currently putting, well, there's some stairs, Holly, that's all I can see. Yeah, there's a couple of stands here. So this is what's going to be Food Street. This was Food Street last year, wasn't it? And then we had the pontoon. I don't know if the pontoon's coming back. Remember the little, well, the little boat thing that they had on the water? Well, it wasn't a boat. It was like just floating tables, if you like. They had like a little island. It was like a floating island, wasn't it? I wonder if that's coming back. But yeah, this is. I don't know whether they're going to put stages on here, to be honest. That's why they got the construction on. Because normally they just have the stalls here. So I think this is going to be different, to be honest.
What's that cake called that we had last year?
King cake.
King cake.
Yeah, we bought it off Food Street, but part of me feels that these bits of scaffolding are going to mean we're going to get something different this year.
Yeah.
Watch this space. We'll see.
There's quite a lot of space here, so they might be like a parade.
Well, I don't know if they're just going to put all the stages here and put them. It'd be a bit strange if they do, because I kind of liked how it was before.
There'll be like
Yeah. Time will tell, eh? We'll have a look soon. This is the closest I'm going to get to riding Rita today.
mad skills. She is going to be a ride-up when she's older. Place your head back, hold on tight. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Hey, do you see there's a boot in the window of the truck?
That is the last person who dabbed out Dr Kelman.
So yeah, so we've abandoned the 30-minute queue. And we got in there and it was probably more like an hour.
Smiler's taken over Rita. Look, it's taken over.
Taken over. That's as much as the takeover as it is, mate. It's a sticker.
It's a bloody big one.
It's taken over Holly though. Smiler has literally taken over Holly.
Literally that hoodie fit her when they bought it and now it's been growing.
Yeah,
oh, I missed the waltz as well and I had to slow down so I didn't hit Rita's track.
I think to be honest, mate, I prefer the picnic benches.
But the batching isn't as quick as the waltzer, is it?
What, on the picnic benches? Yeah. Who lives in a house like this?
Who lives in a house? Oh my god, there's a new one. Make sure you come and film this in your vlogs, guys. There's a new padlock at Alton Towers.
Mike, what did I say to you a minute ago?
You said Holly's going to moan about pain in her leg.
And now what have you just said, Holly? Holly moans when we have to walk through the gardens.
Holly moans, that could be an
Oh no! All the yellow's molting off your Smiler hoodie. That's going to then molt in Mummy's washing machine and get all over our black clothes, so she's going to have to wash it on its own, I think. A few more steps, not long. Let's go.
Either one's fine.
Here they come.
Left is best.
Adrian!
Come on. You can do it. Let's go. We're nearly there. Come on, Darcy. You got this.
And then leave.
Lee's just casually strolling up behind. He's all right. Stacey's all right.
That's registered tomatoes going in.
Hello. So we've come to have a look at Nemesis again.
There's no film in it, it's fine.
It's run out. The tape's run out.
That's the fast track here, obviously. No, you don't have to pay for fast track this time.
No,
Don't
no
give
fast
them
track.
ideas.
Look at this. So if you come into the observation platform, they've planted little Phalanx pop badgers all around. There you go, look. I don't think you're supposed to collect them all though.
Yeah, it's like Pokemon.
Yeah, so if you want a Phalanx pop badge, get yourself to the observation platform
At 4:45.
at 4:45 and have a look around. You might find some.
And even if you don't look around, you might find some.
But not today because Holly and Darcy have taken them all. Holly,
Yeah?
did you see all the new track? So yeah, so we've just rode Galactica and you can see all the turnaround section into the break
But
room.
the thing is, the veins
And the-
aren't all over.
The veins are all over. Me and Mike were just having that conversation and Mike said he didn't think they were, but they are. So yeah, we've just seen they actually are. So they're on the top all the way around it. Yeah, so if you want to see the track properly, the viewing platform's no good at the minute because of where the track is, but yeah, definitely get a ride on Galactica and you get a good view. Yeah, it looks cool. I'm happy with it. Are you happy with the track now? Now you've seen it in person? She's still undecided. How's your green spirit ice cream, Holly? She's brought me all the way back to the Curse to get a green spirit ice cream. Is it nice? You're gonna get covered in it, aren't you? All down your new Smiler hoodie. Please don't get it down it. So we are gonna get our final ride on the Curse. Mary's helping us. Holly's got to finish her ice cream before we get to the door. We've got Mary and what's your name, great gardener? Todd. Todd the gardener. He's a Derby fan though, so we don't. But he's helping us. We're going to get our last ride on the Curse. We can do this. Oh, he's walking the queue. The bloke. He's going to close it.
The open house auction of Alton Manor.
Keep up, keep up.
Oh, that's a bit creepy in there, Mary.
This manor house listing includes an abundance of land, perfect for a small family.
How are we doing, Holly?
Away from the noise
Quick,
of
bite it.
Screen going.
She's not got rid of it yet, Mary. We're nearly there and she's still got ice cream.
Come on, Ollie, you can do it.
You can do it, Holly.
We're on our way.
They're going to want to shut the door.
On our way.
The door's going to be shut.
It's not going to be shut.
Come on, Holly. Get it down, you.
God, you can do it. We believe in you.
Try to eat an ice cream ball, Ollie.
Oh, look. The estate agent's even waiting for us. Look, he's...
Head on in.
Go on, Ollie.
Have a good look around. Go on.
Get in there.
Hello. Cheers, guys. Thank you.
Yes, Ollie.
Did you enjoy your final ride on the Curse, Holly? It was nice of the actors to help us get on there, wasn't it?
And then,
Mary marched us through the queue,
and
waving a shovel in the
Was
air.
she quite contrary?
what?
Mary.
And then, oh, I thought the actors were gonna be here.
Yeah.
They're clocked off.
They've gone. So yeah, the estate agent was waiting at the front, wasn't he?
I thought they were gonna wait in the shop.
Holding the door open for you. What, you thought all the staff were going to wait in the shop? No, because as soon as 6 o'clock comes, they've had a long day, they go and clock off.
Yeah, they literally just drop all that. He drops the briefcase and he runs.
And go and wash all the makeup off and go home after a long day. So look, Holly, we've got all the trucks. And there's one truck that's still got, it's got one of the inversions on it, look. Still wrapped in cellophane. Yeah.
I would talk, but Ben's pretty much saying everything.
Is that the first inversion, do you think? No, it'll be the final one, won't it? It'll be the final inversion
It's
out of the tunnel.
One that goes over. No, it's the one that goes over the alien thing.
So this will probably be installed soon, and then the trucks will go away and pick up some more stuff.
Is that a pole? Another pole?
Yeah.
Hey, Lee.
So the Phalanx truck's there, Holly.
Oh, it is. Made by Mercedes.
At the front, look, Mercedes Phalanx truck.
And Steve Foster, don't leave them out.
Steve Foster cranes.
Steve Foster.
Yeah, there it is, the Phalanx truck. It's a shame the little Phalanx Jeep isn't here, isn't it? That was escorting
that Jeep was puny.
it. Was cool. Yeah. So hopefully, yeah, in the next couple of days, you'll see that inversion being installed.
Are they seeing
I'm
it on
just
your
a bit.
channel, Ben?
No, not on my channel, mate. Perhaps yours, mate. Maybe.
Nah, not gonna bother with that.
So that's our day at Alton Towers done, Holly. How was it?
Amazing.
Amazing, yeah. We've had a lovely day, haven't we? We've had a really good day. Spent with lots of friends. We didn't go on lots of rides today, did we? But that wasn't what it was about, was it? We came to spend a nice day with friends. We spent a day with Lee. Loved to explore, coasting with the Joneses. Yeah, so really nice day. And yeah, we've had a lovely time. So we've looked at the new Nemesis track, haven't we? What did you think?
Yeah. Well, I like the track, but I didn't like the viewing platform.
Yeah, you weren't that impressed with the viewing platform, but you found them Phalanx pop badges, didn't you?
Yes.
So that was cool. Yeah, you found the Phalanx pop badges, so that's really good. So if you're coming, just have a look around, because they're going to be hiding them around, I think.
Yeah.
Holly's took 2 from today, haven't you? One for your brother and one for you, so that's nice. But yeah, we've got the Nemesis track that we've just looked at on the trucks here. So yeah, and the Phalanx truck behind. So that's cool.
The Phalanx sign actually on.
Yeah, the marketing for this ride's been fantastic, hasn't it?
And I took my first few photos of rides.
Yeah, Holly's took some photos today. She wants to be a ride photographer now as well as an actor and as well as everything else. That was cool, wasn't it, with the actors at the curse at the end getting us on the ride. So yeah, we have had a really fun day. But yeah, not many rides, but sometimes you come to Alton Towers and that's what it's about, isn't it? Just having a nice time. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and hope you've enjoyed the video. And if you do, give it a like, drop us a comment down below, tell us what you thought, and yeah, we will see you again soon. Thank you.
Bye.